Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, I am going to show you a 1970 Ford Mustang Coupe. Now, this beautiful restored car, it has a 347 stroker engine underneath the hood, producing 350 horsepower and 400 foot-pounds of torque. It has a automatic overdrive transmission in it. Car is beautiful blue with white stripes. Got the wing on the back. Krager SS wheels. Gives this car the iconic muscle car look. This car has power steering, power brakes with disc brakes on the front, as well as vintage heat and air conditioning. This car has a crate engine in it. This car runs and drives very well. I just drove this car down the road. It's windier than heck out, so it's hard. I'm by myself, so it's hard to drive and record all at once. So I just made sure it ran and drove like it should, and it absolutely does. Serpentine belt pulleys on it. Aluminum radiator and fan shroud. See your vintage air conditioning compressor back down there. This is a crate engine, Edelbrock intake, carburetor, valve covers, them hooker headers. Can't read the name on them headers, but a really nice set of stainless headers. All decked out underneath the hood, cross braces on it. Hood insulator. This is a very, very nice, clean car. There's a few little imperfections in it, but overall, this is a beautiful car. Beautiful white interior. Glass is in good shape. Got a few small tiny chips to be inspected. The side glass is in good shape. Chrome, the door handles, the stainless and bright work on the car look good. Interior is very nice. Has digital gauges. I'm presuming they are Dakota digital, but that one just stays lit. They don't flash. Horn works. Stereo. Shifter. Nice little console here. A new thermostat in there. Glove box. Dome lights. Got a couple little nicks right here, and on the top of that fender you can see. Engine sounds amazing. If you look, you can see, it's really hard to see. You can see it, you gotta look in the right area, you can see a couple fine little cracks right here. If you're standing right like this, you can't see it. You get down the right angle, then you can kind of see it. Very nice, clean, solid car. Interior is super nice. Got some 6x9s in the back. Seat belts up above. Headliner, sun visors are all in good shape. Here's probably all the information of it. Second place, World of Wheels, Omaha. Oh yeah, there's all kinds of paperwork about the build on this car. Shut it off here. I'll open the trunk and show you inside the trunk. There you go. Amplifier there. Looks like I got some subs in a box there, maybe. Fire extinguisher. Cruising for a cure, it says. Just a super nice, clean Mustang coupe, 1970 model. You're looking for a nice, clean car to jump in and cruise around in. This would be a great automobile for that. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. Check us out on our website, www.kenyonauto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, regular inventory every day. So if you're interested in buying this beautiful Mustang coupe, or maybe one of the other Mustang coupes we have in stock, we have 2 or 3 other ones, give us a call. We'd love to talk to you about this car or any of the other ones. This is always one of my favorite colors in the Crayola box. This blue. I don't know, I call it like a cobalt blue. Very pretty color. Very nice, clean, dependable car. Somebody's really gonna love this thing, really gonna enjoy it. Give us a call today. Again, 563-452-2450, www.kenyonauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. I really appreciate everyone watching all of our videos. I hope you all have a great afternoon, and I will be right back at you again with another great collector car. Talk to you soon, everybody.